Today, we're looking at the 10 best seamless transitions packs for 2020. This varied range of video transition packs make it fast and easy to add a professional element to your next editing project. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. FCP Glitch Transitions by Vystina. At number 10 today, we have an energetic glitchy transitions pack that can bring a fun retro energy to your edits with ease. With 50 transitions and 50 accompanying sound effects to choose from, this pack is a fantastic tool to help you create your next standout project. Number 9. Transitions Pack by Premiumilk. Perfect for corporate, demo reel, or cinematic footage, our next pack has 200 transitions to choose from to help you make your footage eye-catching and unique. Simply drag and drop in After Effects for a quick and seamless finish. Number 8. Transition Maker V1.1 by PixFix. At number 8 today, we have a fantastic seamless transitions pack for the more advanced user. This pack allows you to always have the perfect transition option to suit any need, as it gives you the tools and skills to make your very own transitions in just a few simple clicks. Number 7. Transitions Pack version 2 by Mirrors. Next up, this punchy pack of video transitions and effects has a variety of striking glitches, whips, distortions, panoramic, and multi-frame effects. It's perfectly suited for transitions between high-energy video content and can be easily edited in Premiere Pro. Number 6. Usefull Transitions by AleFx. Our next seamless transitions pack allows you to effortlessly combine hundreds of transition options to perfectly suit your needs. With the ability to merge and adjust each and every element of your transitions, this pack can only be limited by your imagination. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. FCPX Zoom Transitions by BobJacksonHive. At number 5, our next transition pack comes with 50 different transition styles in 4K, Full HD, vertical, and portrait layouts. It's super easy to use. Combine with tiles or mix and match transitions to get your own custom results every time. Number 4. 4K Light Leaks Transitions for Premiere Pro by AleFx. Next up, we have the perfect video transition pack to add a whimsical filmic look to your work. Shot in camera from real optical light elements, and with over 100 different transition options to choose from, these beautiful light leaks can be easily applied and customized to suit any footage. Number 3. The Ultimate Transitions Pack, Final Cut Pro X and Apple Motion by Digital Products 669. Do you want to be able to easily transition any style of footage? Then this pack of over 200 super easy to use seamless and motion graphic transitions is just what you need. With over 21 categories of effects to choose from, this pack includes glitch effects, camera, smoke, perspective, and typography transitions, and will let you turn any project into a professional-looking masterpiece. Number 2. Modern Transitions for Premiere Pro by Candy Mustache. Next up, we have our largest pack of seamless transitions. With over 2,000 transitions and sound effects to choose from, this pack has everything you could want for your next editing project. With over 38 categories including zooms, camera swipes, spins, light leaks, glitches, and shakes, this pack will help you elevate your edits to the next level. Number 1. Dope Transitions for Premiere Pro by Candy Mustache. Stand out from the crowd with this energetic and eye-catching transitions pack. Modern, easy to use, and ready to give your edits the professional boost you were looking for, this transitions pack has 464 incredible transition options to choose from, including lens camera animations, spins, zooms, panoramic, pixelation, and glitch effects. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best seamless transitions packs for 2020. Did any of those items stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.